Today we are going to unbox and take a first look at the GTX GO 80, Vaporesso's new GTX compatible stick mod. Press button and go. So let's get it out and see what we got here. All right, so in the box, as usual, we get the warranty card, instructions, anti-counterfeit label. We're gonna set that to the side. In the package, you'll receive a 0.2 ohm mesh GTX coil that's good from 45 to 60 watts. The device isn't adjustable, so you don't need to worry about that though. And you'll receive one GTX GO 80. Such a nice smooth finish. USB-C charge. The thing feels nice. Such a nice hand feel. The pod, it uses the GO 26 pod. Simply snap in place with a magnet. You can spin it to adjust your airflow. If you look on the pod, it actually has that nice little divider in the middle, so you can set it to dead even 50% airflow. And then adjust from there if you want less or more. Super simple to pop a coil in. You can actually do it one-handed. Look. I did pre-soak that coil, so don't think I'm just throwing a coil in here unjuiced. The top does do a little twist off kind of thing like that. I had to use two hands, so I couldn't show you. Riding shotgun is my preferred liquid. You just very simply put the tip of the bottle into that hole and squeeze. If you turn it around like so, it's easier because it does have a little air outlet right here. So as you fill it, the air can escape. I'm not going to fill it full for the purpose of today's review, but as you see, you've got your fill hole and your little air hole over here. Just simply put your top on, and you gotta give it a little twist when you put it on, so you will take two hands. I'm gonna adjust the airflow all the way open. 5 clicks turns it on, and we're vaping, people. Good flavor. Good clap production. I like it. The GTX GO 80.